Hey everyone, it's Dominic Conadou, and let's talk about eyesight. Our vision can deteriorate due to aging, nutritional deficiencies, or genetics. In today's video, I will share a simple and natural recipe that can help improve your eyesight and may even help reverse conditions like cataracts and glaucoma. Let's dive right in.
Moving on to our next ingredient, let's talk about blueberries. Those tiny, vibrant berries that pack a powerful punch. Blueberries are an excellent source of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect our eyes from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C, which helps strengthen the walls of our blood vessels, improving blood flow to the eyes and overall eye health. Include a handful of blueberries in your diet regularly, whether fresh, frozen, or in smoothies. They are versatile and can be easily added to various dishes, making it simple to enjoy their benefits.
Our final ingredient in this vision-boosting recipe is almonds, a delicious and nutritious snack that can be enjoyed in many ways. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our eyes from damage caused by free radicals. This essential nutrient is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and preventing age-related eye conditions. In addition to vitamin E, almonds are also a good source of zinc, which plays a vital role in transporting vitamin A from the liver to the retina. This process is essential for good night vision and overall eye health. Make almonds your go-to snack. They are not only tasty but also packed with nutrients that support your vision. Enjoy them on their own, add them to trail mixes, or sprinkle them over your breakfast cereal or yogurt. You can even blend them into smoothies for an extra nutritional boost.
So there you have it, folks. 4 incredible ingredients that can make a world of difference in your eye health. These natural wonders are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Incorporating these ingredients into your diet is easier than you might think. They can make a significant difference in your eye health, helping to protect your vision and overall well-being. By nourishing your body with these nutrient-rich foods, you're investing in your future. You'll be giving your eyes the best chance to stay healthy and function optimally for years to come. Remember, a balanced diet is key. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Take care and see you soon. Stay healthy and keep smiling.